Women folk of Wangu relief camp stated that they will not be participating in the ensuing Lok Sabha elections till the present crisis gripping the state is resolved. This was announced yesterday during the human chain protest staged by the inmates from Sero, Napad and Tangjeng of Wangu relief camp. The protesters lamented that they are still suffering, unable to return to their homestead. As such, they have decided not to participate in the election until the proxy war of India government is resolved. As stated by one of the inmates of the relief camp who took part in the protest, the people living in peripheral areas are still suffering. Condemning the timing of the ensuing election is inappropriate, she continued that the inmates of relief camps would not participate till they can return to their respective homes. Meanwhile, the IDPs of Leshangtem, Taubal District and Kekman GP Ward No. 1 had also staged the same agitation. They have also declared not to participate in the upcoming election.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥ ꯑꯅꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯔꯇꯁꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯀꯩ ꯆꯥꯛꯇꯅ ꯆꯦꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯍꯟꯖꯜꯍꯟꯈꯤꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯔꯧꯏ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯍꯜꯍꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯁꯟꯗꯣ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯧ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯦꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯥꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯝꯄꯨ ꯍꯥꯄꯨꯗ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯉꯝꯖꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯦꯡꯋꯥꯟ ꯖꯤꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 1ꯒꯤ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯉꯝꯖꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯗꯨ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ